Hi everyone, welcome back to the second part of our website tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be focused on how to place your vanity orders using our online system. This will be a step-by-step guide. Feel free to rewatch certain parts. I will separate the video into different segments in the description below. Click on the timeline and the video will jump to that segment. This will make it easier for you to navigate through this video. So first, let's log into the website. If you're having trouble logging in due to loss of password, please refer to our first video on password recovery and how to log into our website. This is the first page that you'll see once you have successfully logged in. Before we place any orders, you want to first make sure that there are no leftover products in your shopping cart. Sometimes you might have tried to place an order previously, but never fully processed it, resulting in some leftover items in your shopping cart. Simply just hover your mouse over the shopping cart. If it says empty, then you're good to go. If there are products left inside, your choices are to complete the order by submitting it, delete the items, or if you would like to place the items along with your new order. As you can see that I currently have 2 products inside my shopping cart. Let's say that I would like to delete one of them and keep the other one to be processed with my new order. Let's enter the shopping cart by pressing on the shopping cart icon. Now I would like to delete the first item and keep the second one. Here we need to click on the X on the right hand side. Once we do that, the page will refresh. You will see that now the unwanted item is gone, with only one item left in the shopping cart which I would like to place with my new order that I am about to place right now. Before we enter any order, the most important thing for us to do is to check our inventory. To do that, we need to look at the very top of the web page, look for inventory status. Click on that, and it'll bring you to this page called inventory checking. On this page, you can check the inventory status on all of our products, from vanity inventory to kitchen inventory. For the purpose of this video, let's select vanity inventory. A new page will open up on your browser. It is a spreadsheet of all vanity products. On the columns you can see the different vanity colors, and on the rows you can see the different sizes. Let's say for this video, I am checking the stock on a step gray VSD 48. I will have to find the color step gray first, and then look down to find the size 48. Now for this item, the status says OK, which means it is currently in stock. There are also 2 other status called low and out. Low means there are less than 5 items available, and out means the item is completely out of stock. Please use these spreadsheets as a reference to our inventory level. The spreadsheets are updated daily. Once we confirm that the item is in stock, we can go ahead and create the order. Since we are placing a vanity order, on the top gray navigation bar, let's select vanity. In this page, you can see all of our vanity colors. For this video, we're using the step gray 48-inch vanity as an example. So on this page, find the color step gray. Click on the picture. This will bring you to our product page. On this page, you can see all step gray vanity products. It is sorted by product type and product size. From the top of the list, you can see all of the vanity sizes. As you scroll down the page, you can see all different linen towers, mirrors, makeup tables, crown moldings, and different accessories. Now let's go back to the top where we can see all vanities. For this order, we're going to place a step gray VSD 48. Let's find the product in the list. Click on the image or the add to cart button. In this new page, you can see pictures of the vanity. As you scroll down, you can see all of the features you can customize for this vanity. We're going to go through all of the features one by one and add as many features as possible, just for the sake of demonstration. Now let's go back to the top of the list. The very first option you'll see is vanity, SG-VSD48, and the quantity will be 1. So normally for this option, I would like to leave it as the way it is. This means that we want to order 1 vanity. If you're looking to order multiple numbers of the same vanities at the same time, I will show you how to do that later on in this tutorial. Moving on, the second option is assembled or RTA. Click on the Choose a Selection drop-down menu and you'll see 2 different options. One is called assembled, or the other one RTA. Assembled means that you want the vanity to be assembled, or unassembled, which you would have to select RTA. For this demonstration, let's select assembled. The next option is called decorative furniture toe kick. For this option, you have 3 different selections. The first option means that you do not want to have any furniture toe kick. The second option means that you want us to install the toe kick for you on the vanity. The third option means that you want us to provide the toe kick, but do not install it for you. And for this demonstration, let's select install toe kick. Moving down, this option is called mirror. If you would like to order a matching mirror along with this vanity, please make a selection based on the 3 options. You have a choice of the 20 by 32 inch mirror, the 28 by 36 inch mirror, and also the 42 by 36 inch mirror. For demonstration, let's select the 42 by 36 inch mirror. The next option is the crown molding for mirrors. Again, you have a choice of the crown molding for the 20 inch, the 28 inch, and the 42 inch. Let's select the 42 inch crown molding to go along with our mirror. The next option is knobs. If you click on the Choose a Selection drop-down menu, you'll see all of the knobs available. For each knob, there are 3 selections. For example, let's take a look at the first one, the K05C. You'll see 3 different options. The first one is K05C for door, the second is K05C for drawer, and the third one is K05C for door and drawer. This just means that if you want us to install the knob for the door only, the drawer only, or for both the door and the drawer. One important thing to remember is that currently all of our drawers are pre-drilled for knobs, which means that there will be a hole in the center of the drawer specifically for installing knobs. Now for this order, I would like to put K05C for all drawers. The quantity for the knobs should be automatically selected for you. In this case, I'm putting knobs on all drawers, and there are 6 drawers, and under the quantity you should see 6. Below this option, you'll have to select the knob instructions. There are 5 options to choose from. The first option means that you want us to drill the holes for the knobs and put the material separately. The second option means that you want us to install the knobs. The third option means that you want us to drill the holes only and provide you with no materials. The fourth option means that you do not want us to drill any holes, but only give you the knobs. The fifth option means that you don't want us to drill any holes and you do not want any materials. In the future, we're considering not pre-drilling the holes for the drawers, which means that you can install both knobs and handles on the drawers. We will give you an update once that option is available. The next option you'll see is handles. Very similar to the knobs option, once you click on the Choose a Selection drop-down menu, you'll see all of the handles available. There will also be 3 options for each handle. Now since we have selected K05C for all drawers, let's select H05C for all doors. For this vanity, there are 2 doors available, so once you select that, the quantity should say 2. Underneath this option, you'll see handle instructions. It is basically the same thing as the knob instructions. Let's select install materials. Moving on, the next option is vanity top. If you would like to order a matching vanity top for this vanity, please click on the Choose a Selection. In the drop-down menu, you'll be able to see different vanity top colors. Usually there are 2 sizes available, the matching size for this particular vanity and also the one size up. For a current order, you can see the 49-inch vanity tops and also the 55-inch vanity tops. There's a special purpose for the larger vanity tops. For example, if a customer's washroom's wall-to-wall length is 52 inches, you can use the 48-inch vanity along with some fillers to fill the gaps. For the vanity tops, you have to purchase the 55-inch tops. We'll be able to cut down the top to 52 inches to make it fit. For this order, let's assume this situation and select one of the 55-inch vanity tops. The option below is called Vanity Top Service. This is where we get to customize our vanity tops. All of our vanity tops comes with one standard faucet hole. The first 2 options allows you to add additional faucet holes based on their distance apart. The first one is 4 inches apart and the second one is 8 inches apart. For this demonstration, I will just select one of them. The third and fourth options are what we're looking for. They allow you to cut down on the width of the vanity tops. Now we would like to cut down our 55 inches top into 52 inches. we'll have to select both cutting left side and cutting right side to make sure that the sink is even in the center. Later on in this video, I will show you on how to give instructions on how much to cut down on each side. The last option on vanity service is called SP21. What this means is providing an additional side splash in the same color of the vanity top. Let's select that as well. The next two options are faucet and drainers. Since both options are very self-explanatory, I will skip them. The last option we'll see is accessories. In this option, you'll see some of the most commonly used accessories. However, this list does not include all accessories. If you're looking for accessories that are not found within this list, you have to place them separately inside the previous menu. For this order, I am only looking for the wall fillers. Click on the checkbox to select it, and under quantity, I will put down 2. Now that the order is complete, before you can submit it, you have to put down a customer tag. Usually this is used for recording your customer's name. For example, if my customer's name is John, I would just put in John under this tag. Or you can put down the project location, for example, 123 Dundas Street. Once we have done that, look to the right. You'll see a red button called Add to Cart. And beside this number, there's a quantity of 0. This quantity is used to select the number of item bundles you would like to place. If you would like to order 2 of the very same things that we just went through, you can put down 2. If you're only looking for 1, you can just leave it as the way it is. Now click Add to Cart. This will bring you to a new page. This is your shopping cart. Inside your shopping cart, you can see the order that you have just placed. Now you'll have a chance to go through your order to make sure that everything is correct. If you need to make any changes, click on the small edit button and it'll take you to the previous order placement page where you can edit your order again. If everything is correct in your order, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. This will bring you to the actual checkout page. In this page, you have to go through 5 different sections. The first 2 sections are billing information and shipping information. The billing and shipping information are based on the addresses you had given us when you signed up, and this should be correct. Click on Continue, and now you have to select the shipping method. There are 4 shipping methods available. The first one is Pickup by Dealer, which means that you'll have to come to our warehouse to pick up the order yourself. The second option, Pickup by DC. This option is only for home hardware customers that wishes to have the distribution center do the delivery for them. The third option is called Pickup by Third Party. This is when you would like to have a third-party company such as Apex, FedEx, or Purelator to deliver your order for you. You can choose to either have us contact the delivery company for you, or you can arrange it on your own. If we are contacting the third party for you, our customer service rep would then edit your shipping cost. The fourth option is called CBC Truck Standard Delivery. This is the delivery made by our company's truck. If you are a part of our delivery program, your delivery rate should be automatically calculated. And for this demonstration, I am going to choose the CBC Truck Standard Delivery. The fourth option is Payment Information. Normally, you'll only be able to see 2 options. One is called Purchase Order, the other one is called Pay by Store. For customers that have store credits, you'll be able to see a third option that says Pay by Store Credits. If you do have a purchase order, please click on the Purchase Order option. A small text bar will show up and you can enter your purchase order number. For a demonstration, I'll be using a purchase order number. Click Continue and you'll be brought to the next option, Order Review. Please make sure that everything in your order is correct. If you would like to change anything, you can still click on the shopping cart icon and then find the product, click on Edit to edit your order. If everything is correct, please click on the Order Comment text box. In here, you can write down any comments that you would like to give to help us with your order. Remember, we used a 54-inch vanity top, which we have to cut down. In the comment box, I have to type in how many inches to cut down on each side. Once everything is good to go, click on the Place Order button. You'll be brought to a new page that says your order has been received. Shortly, you'll receive a confirmation email regarding the order. And that's it, you have successfully placed your order. Please know that for any items that are not listed online, such as replacement parts, please email your customer service rep and have them place it for you. For order changes, adding items, editing orders, or canceling orders after the order is placed, please email your customer service rep. If you have placed an online order on your own, you do not have to send your purchase order again to your sales rep or customer service rep. And last but not least, please do not place vanity orders with kitchen orders. Keep kitchen and vanity orders as two separate orders at all times. That's it for this tutorial. Hopefully by now you have learned how to place vanity orders using our website. Please email us at info@classicbrand.ca if you have any questions or suggestions. Stay tuned for our next tutorial on how to place kitchen orders, and thank you so much for watching.